Hi everyone, I'm Marjorie and welcome to our Flutter into Fall art activity. Today we're going to be making our own Cornell boxes at home. Well, at the museum you might have seen Cornell boxes like this one. So this Cornell box is displaying some backyard butterflies that you might see right here around Chicago. We use these Cornell boxes in order to display specimens and label them so we know what they are. And they can also be used creatively in order to display our specimens, sort of like art. So we're gonna make one at home today. All right, for today's art project, you're going to need the art guide found in the Flutter into Fall Adventure Guide. You're going to need a box. You're going to need some scissors, and then you'll need color pencils, pens, or markers. And then you'll also need either push pins, glue, or tape to put everything together in our box. All right, so first step is you're going to take your box and then cut off the flaps that you would use to close it. There we go. So now you have your box with no flaps, and then if you like to, you can take some scrap paper and place it in the bottom to make your specimen stand out a little bit more. So the next step is you're going to use your scissors to cut out your specimens and your labels from the adventure guide. And if you like to, there's a spot where you can write down who it was collected by. So I'm gonna write down Marjorie. Once you get your specimens and labels cut out, you can use tape or glue or push pins to actually attach your specimens into your Cornell box, and then make sure that you attach the label too. So here's what we have in our Cornell box. You can fill in your Cornell box with as many specimens as you want. There's even more specimens that you can color in your adventure guide. We'd love to see your finished designs. You can tag us on social media. I hope you enjoyed doing the art project today. I'll see you on the next Flutter into Fall activity.